out where I should go here.
Yeah, hang on 1 second. I need to watch your diff. You need to keep going passenger a little more because you want to keep your rear wheel on top of that tire. Real hard. Stay right there.
Nice, Kelly.
Nice.
Right?
Yeah, just get it so you can have that lock on that side and I'll watch over here. You've got plenty of room over here. I just don't want you to slide into this one.
Get the rocks and stack them on the other side so I climb on this side so I keep
Yeah,
it back.
you can pretty much go wherever you want there.
Nice.
Now see, this is where you're going to keep climbing, but your back's not going anywhere. So that's just keep pulling forward and we'll see what happens. Go a little bit driver.
There's a hole.
There you go.
Where it's good.
Right there.
That's where we were talking about.
And you're not... Turn a little driver, Kelly. More?
More? What's that?
Yeah, it's... hold on. You're caught up on that spring hanger in the back.
Okay.
So you're kind of just sitting on it. Your back tire's not...
Oh!
Turn the driver a little bit. Come this way a little bit, Kelly. Okay, turn in. Good. Start turning. Yeah. Start turning towards passenger, Kelly.
Nice. That's actually pretty wet. Moving pretty well. It's meant to bump. Ooh, see, that's slippery as hell.
There's a tire off the ground on the other side.
Yeah.
Guarantee it.
I don't like that sound.
That's your exhaust. You're clear now.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on.
Hey, that looks familiar.
No.
Ah, you're doing the same thing Kelly did.
Bring him over, driver scan.
Oh.
Man, tuck in your mirror.
Hey, start coming a little bit passenger. You're gonna start dropping on this side now.
Oh, he's gonna hit slider.
Yeah, slider. Nice. There.
Oh, maybe not.
He's on it. Just.
So my question is, how's he gonna reverse out of this?
He'll get pulled.
Slider.
You have about 6 more inches, you'll start up on your back tire.
Oh, he might get high centered.
Hey, you got going passenger right, so you look good.
I just don't like how it's swinging this truck.
Yeah, I
And
know.
just watch yourself on that back fender.
Oh my god.
You're gonna come up about 4 more inches on your front passenger side. You can cook driver a little bit, but it's not gonna matter a whole lot.
You got a bit more to climb on your back right.
Oh my god.
Another 6 inches up. Oh man.
If you start going too much more passenger, you're gonna start climbing again.
You're almost up. You got another couple inches to go on your back right.
You got about this much to your roof now. There you go. Now you're on top of the rock, so that's looking good. Hang on, stop.
Kelly.
Hey, Kelly, give more tension.
It's actually working pretty good.
Good. That's good. Okay, right where it's going. You're gonna start coming down on the back. I think you're out of danger now.
He's
And
out,
next
pal.
turn is just this one right here.
Well,
Hang on,
he's
let's
enough
get
to
you
get over
disconnected
this.
here.
Yeah, well, that's pretty.
Yeah, keep going passenger like that. Turn a little bit driver. More driver. There you go.
And rear bumper.
On this side of your inside of your tire, you're already hanging off the rock by about that much.
How far am I on this side?
Oh, you got that much to the inside of your truck.
Yeah, I
on
keep
that
it
side.
right.
Yeah,
I keep it right where it's at.
Way driver.
Way driver, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, driver,
Okay.
driver.